No, no, I told the chief minister that I think you should take the responsibility of health, at least under this
You
circumstance.
already started meeting also with doctors and
See, CM should be in charge. No, so far CM was kept in the dark. CM thought everything is going great as far as because this is the way he was projecting. Health minister, you must have seen so many inaugurations, this thing, that thing, going to the minister. Which ministers anytime went to the health to the medical thing? Show me. There were so many ministers who were health ministers. Right, I said right from Dr. Willie was there, then after Narvekar was there, then Francis was there, then Lakshmi Kant, Dr. Amonkar was there. All these people have basically dealt with the health and this. No one is to go to the hospital to tell the doctors what is to be done. Today the dean, you are punishing a dean, you are making a dean come and sit in the secretariat. So you are demoralizing the moral of the doctors. When you get some low fellow and put him, make him to sit on the position. Till today, no visiting committee has been formed. All the ministers had formed a visiting committee. Visiting committees are the people basically to check how the functioning of this thing is concerned. It is not, they don't interfere, but they know that the functioning of the thing. This is not this thing. There is no interference basically should be of anyone. See, this is not accepted. People, I'm telling you, today my principal's husband died. Yesterday her father-in-law died. I'm just trying to tell you.
in
GMC.
So, all this privatization in GMC, there should be a thorough inquiry into all this.
Chief Minister basically should be bold enough. I am just making a comment. Should be bold enough to take action. Chief Minister made some statement saying that there has been a mismanagement. Now you just fix the onus, fix the blame on that mismanagement. Fix the blame why the people have died. That otherwise the blood will remain on this hand of the government.
CM should not make such statement and just shy away.
No, I am telling you, responsibility to fix. No, let someone, your loved one, whoever is died, let them at least let the person feel at least okay. At least they will not get any solace for what they lost ones. But at least the solace is there. But responsibility, people are fighting years. You see in other countries and all, people are fighting years together for their loved once they lose their loved ones. And you just right, left, center. Today, my father-in-law is dying. This thing is that in one family, basically 2-3 people. Yesterday, I have seen someone else's in Vasco, 4 person in the family died. They are cursing. At least you should have that moral. You should feel something. That Baba, I have made a mistake. What is that to admit? Ultimately, we are all human beings, no. But that egoistic in this thing approach, you don't please keep. See, we are a government. We are all there to support you. To do your job. But the moment you make a mistake, we are there to take you should take the dressing also. You should basically take the responsibility upon yourself. Yes, I have failed. Morally, no, there should be some morality. No, where what morality and all these people as well.
If suppose today government not going to take any action or not going to take anything morally, this is going to impact in further elections. Are you going to say?
It is definitely going to impact. I look at it in that way. Because ultimately government should say, why the near dear ones, why they died. People have got faith. You have got only one medical college. No one can spend lakhs of rupees if you go to Manipal and all the same. Manipal also doesn't have that many beds. So you at least what you do. People are not interested nowadays. Latli Lakshmi, all those Lakshmis and all. They are interested. Baba, our person should come back home.
The focus should be only on the health department.
Focus more should be on the health department. Money should be put in the health department. But money should be put on the health department with right people.
The person is not right now.
So you see that, right, left, center, I can say. And I am not saying that that's the thing. That's the reason I have told Chief Minister, I have written a letter, I have sent a reminder back again today to the thing. Have a party meeting, MLA's meeting. Call the ministers and all. There I want
for a joint meeting of.
No, not joint meeting. We are responsible. We are in a government. Whatever my grievances, whatever I know what people are feeling, I want to rake up my issues as far as with these people. I want to have a face to face with whoever are the murderers, whoever are there. I will ask them. That because of you, you have murdered the people. This will be my statement to the health minister once I go to the meeting.
You say that.
Definitely I will say that. See, no one stops me from saying what I have got to say. My mind, it is my thing. Others, what other people have got opinion, let them make their opinion.
You make a statement.
Who you tell me then? Who is to be blamed? You tell me, no? I was asking you.
Deaths in GMC are.
See, when you know, I am giving a certain, when you know that Baba, there are 200 people are going to die, you made this statement. We didn't make this statement. Okay, lockdown, this thing, that you made this statement, 200 people are going to die. So out of those 275 are dying. So when you know, that means you are not prepared. That's what I'm trying to say. How you know that 200 people will die? And on what basis you are talking about 200 people will die? You just tell me. What assessment? Who has given you this assessment? That 200 people will die. No other health minister has made this assessment of in the country. Only this one has made. See, over the dead people also, these people will eat money. I'm telling you.
Babu, you are vocal enough, but have other MLAs contacted you, or you are interacting with other MLAs and similar issues are discussed?
See, many MLAs have contacted me. There is no problem with this. Some people have basically have got a fear because this fellow has got a vindictive attitude. But his vindictive attitude, what I am trying to say is the chief minister is the head. Chief minister is the head. Chief minister is one who distributes the portfolio. What is the problem for the chief minister to remove when all the blame is coming on him, when the MLAs itself are accusing him to keep this thing? We also should have the faith in the chief minister, no? Okay, chief minister has done whatever we have requested. What stops the chief minister, I would like to ask, what stops the chief minister to hold that portfolio with you till this crisis get over? Keep it with you now. Till this, now you are handling it only. There can be only one captain of a ship. You cannot have two captains of a ship. And you don't require assistant captain and all that. Because assistant, if you think that the assistant captain, you cannot keep him on that position. So you are a captain of the ship. So I am asking you a clear this thing. People of Goa, I am talking here what people of Goa is asking. They may not have a direct access as far as chief minister is. I don't know. Chief ministers must be going through the YouTube and all this thing. They must be this thing. See, what I am trying to say. I don't want simply see people are all cursing the chief minister. Even basically opposition have to blame the chief minister. Opposition has not blamed the health minister. Well, they have got their own this thing. Otherwise, in other terms, they blame the ministers. All anything. Babu, they blame for tourism, they blame Babu. For something else, they blame this thing. For transport, this thing, they blame Mavin. What are this thing? But health minister is never taken to task. No one has this thing.
They have some understanding, do you think?
They definitely must be something. What else will be? Understanding both the sides. It is not like that. Balancing on both the sides. Both are there now. This side also and that side also is there.
So, Amdaranchi meeting can with CM?
I have asked for a CM for a meeting. I think chief minister should call this because this is a serious matter. People should CM should know what the people of Goa are talking about. And I will definitely tell you, basically, I'm not going to swallow any words basically when I tell whatever I got to tell the chief minister. And that's the time I will tell the MLAs also basically to speak up. And others I will tell you which MLA didn't speak up. That means those people should, their constituency people basically should take them to task for not speaking for them. No, because I am speaking because now it is high time here. It is high time that we should say yes, this is the part we have failed. But I don't blame the chief minister because I believe that whatever the portfolios have been distributed to this fellow. This fellow is showing as if everything is so rosy here. So once the bubble broke, then everything is a clear thing. Now chief minister itself said that there has been mismanagement. No, so how can you keep someone in that position when you yourself admit that there is a mismanagement in this?
The CM should act.
CM should act. I demand that CM should act.
Sir, one more question. This is the last question. Just now you said that this is going to be a problem in election. As a Panjim MLA, you are going to face the problem to get the elect on the BJP ticket if the crises are not going to
resolve.
See, what I am trying to say, we basically, if you have a wound, basically you just try to apply ointment on that wound. Don't allow the wound basically to aggravate. I am just trying to tell you this. These things should not carry forward. We need basically some action should be taken. We need basically a better people of Goa should get confidence in a GMC. There is it is, as I said, doctors and nurses are doing the best job what they can do. They are working under pressure. One pressure of the people, other pressure of this the health minister.
If CM not act today, it is going to be impact during elections.
See, CM should act.
Uh,
This is what, as I said, and I'm sure CM must be looking at all the tweets and all whatever he must be getting, and he must some people are
Is somebody stopping CM from taking action?
see, CM has got a brute majority. There is no one who should say. He should. I look at it. He should think in the interest of the party, and interest of Goa. That is very important. Interest of Goa is first. Party comes second. But in the interest of Goa, he should think and act.